Hi, Sally here, and I am going to try something that I've wanted to try for a super long time. I saw a really cool technique using distress oxides and distress microglaze, and I've wanted to try it for so long, and I bought the supplies so long ago, and I'm finally going to try it. So, you need some sort of glossy paper. I bought this Ranger gloss paper. It just really feels like photo paper. So I think glossy photo paper might work. Don't know, haven't tried it, but you could try it. So what you do is you take your distress oxides and you smush them down. Now, if you want the colors to stay where they are and not mix, you use a craft mat. If you don't care if they run together, then you can use your glass. So I am going to put this down here. Stormy Sky, Sponge Sugar, and Shabby Shutters. We'll see how these look. I have a project in mind, and I'm hoping that these colors will look nice. So I'm just gonna mist them. Ooh, whoops, had it on squirt hard when the kitty's bad. Okay. So just mist them lightly. I'm gonna take my paper and just dab it in the ink. How's that looking? Not very much pink. I'll mix those up a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to dry it. So maybe I will just dab that last little bit off. Just not wanting to dry. Now, as long as you dry, you can add layer upon layer and it won't turn muddy. So I really want more pink in this. So I'm going to get some more paint going here. A little bit of blue on top of the green. Just gonna see what we get here. Still not seeing very much pink. There, let's see how that looks. Okay, I think I want more color on here. Ooh, that made a mess. Okay, definitely want more pink. Just pretty much want more of everything. Whoop. Now, spritz that. And pick up all that pink. Well, the pink is really getting lost. I'm going to try this. Try adding more pink. Okay, I'm going to do just pink. Because you really can't see the pink. And that just turned to mud in that corner. Okay, so I'm gonna call that good. So now, make sure your ink is dry. It feels dry, and then you take your micro distress glaze, or distress microglaze. He designed the jar so that a little foam blending pad would fit right in there, so you don't need very much. And then you just blend that over, and then it just brings back all the layers that you added. So you can see the difference in the blue. And I don't know if maybe I didn't choose very good colors, or I don't know, have very many layers. It doesn't, maybe I just didn't choose as vibrant of colors as I saw Jennifer McGuire and Tim Holtz use, but so that is that. And you use a towel, buff off the extra. And that is what I got. So I'm going to try it with some other colors and see if they look more like the examples I saw. So let's try another one. Now I picked out Squeezed Lemonade, Pricked Raspberry, and Wilted Violet. So these will be a lot more vibrant, I think. I hope. Something in there. Probably okay. All right, that might be too much. Okay, I'm not gonna burn my fingers this time. Oh, there. Maybe it was just the colors I chose before, or maybe I didn't cover it good enough. I don't know. I think I might be putting on too much of this glaze. Oh yes, I like that one much better. Yeah, I think I've got too much glaze. And I'll just buff that extra off. Oh yes, I like this piece much, much better. Okay, I'm going to get the ink colors that Jennifer McGuire used on her example and try it and see if it turns out like hers. I'll be right back. After rewatching Jennifer's video, I'm going to try another background. She used Salty Ocean, Peacock Feathers, and Mermaid Lagoon, and I picked up some tips of what she did that might make me like my background's a little bit better. Okay, so she used a lot of water. And she just smooshed it on there. right together, didn't they? Kind of got all these all mixed together, didn't I? Ugh. It's a mess. And then she spritzed it to get those oxidized droplets. Okay, another thing she did was she got it wet and flicked it with her paintbrush. Might work better if it was more of a contrasting color, I guess. You can kind of see it. Okay. That is getting there. It is getting there. I think I want to add just one more layer. Okay, I am almost happy. Just gonna squirt it. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna turn on my light because I am having a hard time seeing. Okay, so, ooh, there's kind of a lot of pink on this now, which I do not want on this card. So, wipe this off. Maybe my last one was not all the way dry. Okay, I think that's mostly cleaned off. Just get some more on there. Yes, I'm much happier with this. Oh yeah. Now I definitely can see the difference between the glazed and the non-glazed. So, yes, I am very happy with this one. Very, very happy. Need a little bit more on there. There we go. I think I overdid it. Yeah, I definitely overdid it. Just kind of slimy. Put the extra here. Okay. Oh, that is pretty. That is pretty. Maybe I really don't like this one. But maybe I could cut it out in die cut or something and make something nice. But that one's pretty good. That one's really pretty. So I don't know if it's the colors or what. I don't know. But I want to try not all blues and see if I use some of the same techniques that Jennifer did, if it turns out better. If I like it better. Okay, so let's see. Actually, let's see, what do I have out? I don't think I want to use that one. Maybe just the pinks and purples is what I will try. So I've got spun sugar, wilted violet, and picked raspberry. So I'll try these other techniques and see if I'm happier with different colors. Or if what I really like is just the monochromatic look. We'll see. Actually, she also did one where she used a blending tool and inked the background first. I think I'm going to do that. I'll be right back. Alright, so I think that this technique works better with the darker colors. So here's my first one, and you know what? I'm going to see if I could put ink on top of this, just for fun, because try it for fun. Get it more wet. That is interesting. It kind of beads up. And not really, doesn't really absorb. So let's see what happens when it gets dried. So it kind of got more color on there, but I'm still not very happy with it. Let's try dropping some color, or flicking. Oh, that is just an interesting color. I think it looks better. Let's try putting the glaze on it. I don't know if you need to wipe this off every time you change color families, but I just don't want to get some weird color on here. Well, that looks better. Picked up that shabby shutters pretty nicely here, I think. And that definitely looks better. Definitely looks better than it did, but not as pretty as these. I'm really happy with these two. Super pretty. So I'll have to make something with these, and I will, when I figure out what that will be, I will show you in another video. So thanks so much for watching.